Today we're going to be looking at this corner desk. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, put it together for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you are going to have all the metal components, including the legs and the support beams. You're going to have the shelf and then the top of the corner desk, the hardware to put this together, the instruction manual, and they even include a screwdriver. So you don't need to bring your own tools. Overall, this took about 25 minutes to put together, which is not bad considering that I had to take it apart twice. My biggest tip is to pay very close attention to the position of the holes on the instruction manual for these little tiny bars here, because the position of the holes becomes very important toward the end of the assembly process. This is a perfect size for like a corner end table or a corner desk. You can use it either way. So you can see here, I have it displayed with some decorations. It looks so cute in this corner. The shelf on the bottom is very, very thin. You could put some things down here, but it's not very big. So just be mindful of that. If you wanted to use it as a desk, I have a fairly large laptop, and as you can see, it fits perfectly right on the top here. If you're looking for a corner desk, I would not hesitate to recommend this one.